Hey guys, it's Remy and welcome back to my channel. So, I am currently just chilling here in my apartment. If you guys watch my vlogs, which by the way, vlog channel link down below. I pretty much sit here on this floor like every single day and I do like random unboxing hauls and I just like chat with you guys all the time. And yeah, that's always on that channel. And then on here, the videos are usually like more produced and things like that. But, I don't know, I just wanted to like sit and talk with you guys because I have a serious problem. As we all know, I love shopping. I've always loved shopping. I love a good haul video. But especially as of lately, I have been going extra crazy because I'm actually about to leave for New York Fashion Week for the first time ever. But yeah, I'm super stoked. So I have just gathered tons of stuff as of recent. Why am I sweating right now? I'm like, I am sweating a lot and I'm just sitting here. Yeah, I've just been collecting a bunch of stuff, especially for fall coming up. I'm so excited for fall fashion and I just wanted to like sit and do a chill video with you guys. I need to like breathe. Let me know if you guys like this video, if you like this kind of style video, just like more casual, just sitting. My hair looks a little insane. First of all, I don't even know where to begin. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna start here. Also, I'm going to try on my favorite pieces. There are like so many things over here that my body cannot physically try them all on right now. Oh wait, before I even start, I'm wearing this dress that I got from my friend Jen Im's line called Eggy. Yes, I'm wearing these slippers in my apartment right now, but it's super cute. It looks like this. Oh, this is a really easy way to try on stuff. I accessorized with this little leopard belt situation that I got here from Nordstrom, which I need to give myself a little pat on the back because I am not good with accessorizing, you guys. Like, I am the worst. I wear the same stuff every single day. Shout out Eggy. And then moving on to jeans. So my all-time 3 favorite stores to get jeans from are American Eagle, Free People, and Topshop. Those are literally like pretty much the only jeans that I do own. And as you guys know, I've been losing weight for quite some time now. Actually, my 1-year anniversary is today for my whole health journey, which is really exciting. And I'm still continuing to like lose weight and tone up and things like that, but my body and like my sizes right now have been pretty stagnant for quite some time. Again, I'm just like toning up. So I decided to invest in a bunch of new jeans and I got some from Free People here to show you guys. First of all, as a girl with some thick thighs, let me just say I am so happy that this whole flare trend is coming back again because skinny jeans just weren't doing it for me. Don't get me wrong, I love a good pair of skinny jeans, but depending on the shoe, it can really like make or break it for me with my legs. So this flare style is just, I'm living for it. I actually wore these in an Instagram. I'll pop it around here somewhere, really getting into the editing. And a lot of people are asking me where I got them. They look like this. They're really cute. I got them in white and I love them so much. I also got them in blue. Wait, that's the wrong pair. I got them in blue. They're super comfortable. I wear them in a size 27. Love these like long line panel things, and I also have the shortest legs in the world, and these actually fit me with some heels. All right, another pair of jeans that I got that I really like are these blue ones here. They're just a straight line. They have like a slight flare, but not as much as those other ones. And I really liked these because the butt has a pop of red on them. They are so cute. They have these red suede stars. They make your butt look so good. And they're just adorable. And I thought I could wear them with like a red crop top or something, or like a red bodysuit, really make the red pop. This lace-up trend, you guys, hold on. I wore these last night, so I gotta retie them. This lace-up trend is everything for jeans. I think that it is so cute. It really just keeps the stomach just like nice and zipped up and tight. They're kind of like a tight actually, rather than like an actual jean, or like a jegging rather. TBT to jeggings, am I right? But I love these with like knee-high boots. I wore these black ones out last night with knee-high boots and a pink bodysuit, and it was so fun. So I got these ones. Moving on to some designer purchases that I made. If you guys saw, I recently went to Paris with Benefit Cosmetics and my friend Alicia, and I had the best trip of my life, and I decided to splurge and get a couple items for myself. So first of all, I got this bag here from Gucci, which is so cute. For one thing, I've never had like a fun colored designer bag, and second of all, I am a silver gal through and through, so this gold was really exciting for me, and the pink. I walked in and I just fell in love with it, and I thought it was so pretty. So it looks like this, and it's a really nice bag if you're going out, especially because there's a little lock at the bottom so no one can steal anything. All I have in here are these to-go sriracha packets. I had no idea those were in there, but I keep them with me all the time. Back is super cute. There's this little heart, and it's just like the perfect little going out bag. Should I just keep this on here for the rest of the video? I could. And then the other thing that I got was very inspired by my friend Olivia Jade. I saw her haul video and I freaked out and was like, I need those. Yes, I do agree. These are a very interesting and strange shoe, but I love them, you guys. How cool are these? If you guys know me, I love, oh, there's a helicopter flying by. As a short stack who's only 5'3", I love me a platform sneaker. I wear Supergas pretty much every single day of my life. And I saw these and fell in love. They're so cool. They have the navy blue and the red. And then what's really cool about them actually is the backs are 2 different colors. And then the coolest part is that the platform is actually covered in Swarovski crystals, which is just insane. But yes, I love them and they're my new babies and they're super fun. Moving on, a huge question that I always get asked is what is my favorite workout brand? What are my favorite workout clothes? Things like that. And a brand that I love and I won't shut up about is Alo Yoga. I have a few pieces here that I wanted to show you guys. First of all, I got this little black crop top thing here. This is like a built-in sports bra top, which is really, really nice. This is called the Delicate Twisted Bra Tank. So it's super cute. I love their stuff because it is super supportive, and as a girl with a larger chest, I need that if I'm working out. I also have this matching set here in their new color called Black Cherry, which is so pretty. First of all, this is their new Togetherness bra. I have this in like 3 other colors. I am so into it. Again, super supportive and it's nice and just pretty for fall. So I got this color and then also these. These are the 7/8 high waist airbrush leggings and these ones are in Black Cherry as well. If you have short legs like myself, these 7/8 leggings are the best because they're technically supposed to be like a little cropped, but on my short legs, they're like the perfect length of like a normal long legging. So yeah, just a pro tip, but I love their stuff so much. They're so comfortable. They are definitely an investment, but the quality is so worth it and I wear their stuff constantly. All right, moving on with athletic wear, I picked up a new pair of shoes as well. These I saw and fell in love with for fall. These are Adidas shoes, which Adidas are actually my favorite because I have very wide feet and they make great shoes if you have that problem, but don't these just scream fall to you? I don't even know what these are called. Their shoes for me are just the best for working out, so I can't wait to get into them and get into the gym. I also picked up another pair of shoes from Michael Kors, which I was walking by this store on the way to get my car at the Grove, and I saw these shoes in the window, and I never do this, and I walked right in and I was like, I need to try those on right now. How cute is this shoe? Again, I feel like this is perfect for fall and I feel like this matches with like actually anything. This with my flare jeans and like a white bodysuit would be so good. As you can tell by the belt, I have been so into the whole animal print trend lately. I just did a huge clothing haul over on my vlog channel, which I will leave linked down below if you guys want to see. I got so many different animal print skirts and I saw these and I really wanted them. These are from Sam Edelman. They're this really cute leopard print heel. They actually feel like hair, which is really interesting. Honestly, I would wear these with this outfit. I don't know if that's overkill. A lot of people might say that it is, but I think it's fun. I've been seeing so many girls wearing these shoes or shoes like this with like blue boyfriend jeans and just like simple white t-shirts, and I thought it was so cool, and I just want to be cool, so I got these. This is super random, but I needed to get new underwear the other day, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. This is super weird, but I have 2 specific types of underwear that I am obsessed with and pretty much only wear now. First of all, are the Calvin Klein thongs. I don't know if this is weird. They're brand new. I'm not wearing them and I'm not gonna try them on for the video. Sorry, boys. But these are seriously so comfortable. They're made out of cotton, so they're just really like soft and again, comfortable. Super into these, so I picked up quite a few of new ones here. And then my other favorite brand, which I honestly swear by even more than the other ones, are these ones called Hanky Pankies. Let me say, they are an investment for underwear, but these will last you for years. I don't know if she wants me to put this on the internet, but my mom wears them, and so growing up, she would buy me some from time to time, and I just have been obsessed for so many years. So I got this fun leopard one, I got hot pink, I got this tie-dye blue, purple, this green because I've been really into green with the dark hair now, even though I'm the only one who sees this, and then a nude pair because I like wearing nude under my like white leggings and things when I work out. So yes, I actually do get asked sometimes what kind of underwear I wear, so that's the answer for you. Okay, last up for this haul, the majority of this is stuff from Revolve. If you guys live under a rock and don't know what Revolve is, it is an amazing clothing site where they have pretty much just like the cutest stuff from all of the cutest brands. Seriously, their buyers like never cease to amaze me. They are just on it all the time. And I've learned a lot about fashion from shopping on the website and following them on Instagram and just seeing people wear their clothes. So I picked up so much stuff from them and I wanted to share it with you guys. Side note, I just finished Revolve Around the World week and they did send me some of this stuff, but a lot of stuff I also bought because again, I'm obsessed with them. So yes, first of all, we'll start off with this pair of shoes that I picked up from Tony Bianco. I finally got a pair of these clear shoe heels. I finally gave into this trend. I wasn't really into it in the beginning, to be completely honest, but I feel like if you style it correctly, it could be really, really cute. And again, I'm going to Fashion Week, so I was like, okay, I should probably like try and step up the game a little bit. I'm not sure how it's going to wrap around my ankle, but there's a lot of straps going on. We will see if I can pull them off. Probably not. First of all, I got this set, which if you guys watch my vlogs, you already saw this. This is a sequin midi skirt, which as a short gal, I usually try to steer away from midi things just because I feel like sometimes they make me look shorter. But I also love me a two-piece set, and this is what the top looks like. It's this beautiful, look at the detailing on that. I'm so into it. Got these like cage sides, and they're open like that. It's got some thick straps, and together, the whole set looks really cute. I love that there's a big slit in the skirt, and I just was really into it, so got that. Next up, I picked up a pair of these jeans here from a brand called Girlfriend. I've heard amazing things about Girlfriend denim. This is my first pair from them, so I'm super stoked, and these buttons are kind of hard to button. But I love it, and I think that it just adds a nice little touch to something simple like a pair of just plain blue jeans. If you guys know me, you know I love me a t-shirt dress. I got this black dress here that looks like this. Honestly, I would wear it as a nightgown, but it just says busy. Being busy, it's super comfortable and casual. I wore it the other day with just some white sneakers and a fanny pack, and I was into it. Moving on, we have something that is definitely out of my comfort zone. It is this dress. I know it looks kind of weird holding it up. I feel like it is very Priyanka Chopra adjacent. I love it so much. It looks like this. It's like a vest sort of dress, and it's like a suede tan color. Ooh, these together would be so cute. Guys, I'm having so much fun with this. I thought it was fun and something cool to try to get out of my comfort zone with this whole fashion thing. I also got this dress, which is kind of similar. It looks like this. I thought that it kind of looked like something from Grease, like what Sandy wore at the end of Grease. It's an off-the-shoulder dress. It's got this like moto vibe, and it's black and stretchy, and then also came with a belt to tie around the waist, which I love a belt, especially being shaped like a refrigerator. I need something to cinch it in sometimes, so got that. I got quite a few bodysuits. I got this one here, which is seriously so comfortable. I wore this in an Instagram picture, that same one with the white jeans, and it's off the shoulder. It's got these white buttons and then comes down to a thong at the bottom, which I appreciate a thong bodysuit. I got this hot pink one here, which just screams Barbie. I wore this last night with those black lace-up jeans and black boots, and I thought it was so cute. It's a nude bodysuit and has all this cool white paneling, and I thought it'd be really cute with some blue jeans and maybe some white booties. I picked up this skirt here, which I will say I think is the cutest thing in the world. I have always been told my whole life that I should not wear skirts like this because they're unflattering on my body type, which I will say, if you have a smaller waist, then this would be more flattering, but I don't care because I think it's cute. It makes me feel like Cinderella, and I love the little white detailing. I just thought it was fun, so I got it even if I shouldn't wear it. I like it. I picked up a couple dresses as well. This one is a really pretty lilac color, and it's just a really silky, soft satin wrap dress. It's so simple, but also so chic at the same time, and it's just so soft too. And I also picked up this green dress here. Again, I've been really gravitating towards these green shades because I dyed my hair dark, and I feel like the green just really contrasts well with it. So this one has a cool, like, not a cowl neck, but like a drape neck sort of feel. I just love the green with the dark hair. I think it's so pretty. Moving on, a couple more bodysuits here. I got this one, which is called the Remy bodysuit, and it's spelled R-E-M-I, so I was like, oh yeah, all over that. I like the square neck in the front. I thought it was different, and also just a white bodysuit goes with every bottom possible. I got this one here, which I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't really know how it works on the body. I have yet to try this one on. You know, has this little back situation, it's got the little thong back. I'm not really sure. Pretty interesting, but I've just been wearing a lot of red lately. I feel like the red and the dark hair go well together too, so I'm just feeling the Christmas vibes apparently. Oh my gosh, I got this gorgeous maxi dress from, I believe it's House of Harlow. It is so pretty. It wraps around the front, and then it's just this really pretty dark, come on, dark green, like jade color. There's like sequins on it. I just thought it was so extra, honestly, and I thought that this would be a really pretty dress to wear during the fall. Speaking of fall, I picked up a couple sweaters. I got this one from Lovers and Friends that is, again, off the shoulder. It's got this little ruffle on the top with the black and white, and then has like a bell bottom sleeve or like a little flare sleeve. I also got this sweater here, which is also from Lovers and Friends. It's got some like major varsity vibes. I wore this to the pier the other day, and I like that it was like off the shoulder. I like the red and the white and the blue together, and then I also really like the sleeves as well. They're very billowy and kind of fun. All right, last few items. I got this top here. It's like a minty green boxy top. I love tops like this. I think they're very flattering on my body type. I have a very similar one in white that I wore in Greece, and then I saw the green color and I was like, yep, need that one. I thought it was so pretty and dainty. It's got this really cute detailing at the bottom with the little florals. I feel like this is something that you wear to high tea, but with a bodysuit or something, I thought that could be perfect. I also picked up this floral skirt here, which I know it's almost fall, but honestly in LA, you can really wear whatever you want all the time. And I have this skirt in red already, and it's so comfortable and super cute on, so I found this floral pattern and thought that was so pretty. And then last but not least, I picked up this gold skirt here, but it's just this really cute little mini skirt that's soft and stretchy and has this like gold glitter stitch throughout it, or silver glitter rather, with gold. Gold and silver together. Amazing. But yes, that is my massive collective haul of a bunch of things that I've just been gathering lately for myself. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want more chill videos like this, whether it's a haul or just me sitting and chatting with you guys, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!